Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to make this beautiful overbust corset. It's very easy and it's beginner friendly. So if this is what you would love to learn, stay tuned and watch the video to the end. And in case you're new to our channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. So now let's start our cutting. Like I say, it's very easy and it's beginner friendly. So now let's start taking a measurement. So this is my pattern paper. From my shoulder to my bust point is 10 inches, my under bust is 14 inches, my half length 17 and my full length is 24. Sorry, my shoulder to my bust point is 11. So now I'll go to my bust point. I'll take my nipple to nipple measurement, which is 8 divided by 2. I have 4 inches. Then I'll come to my under bust. I'll subtract half inches. I'll have by 3.5 there. Then I'll go to my full length. I'll measure 2 inches there. That's by 2 inches there. Then I'll take my straight ruler. I will connect the line from my bust point to my under bust and the full length. So let me retake the measurement. I have 2 inches here. Then I'll take my ruler. I will connect it from my, let me retake this my under bust measurement. Yes, I have my 3.5 here. So I'll take my ruler. I'll connect it from my bust point under bust to my full length, that 2 inches at my full length. Then I'll connect it. So then I'll go to my shoulder line. I will measure 5 inches. 5 inches. I think this either 5 or 6 inches, but I think 5 inches is okay. Then I'll take my ruler and I'll connect it from my bust point. I will connect it to my 5 inches at my shoulder line this way, like so. So now I've connected. So now I'll come to my under bust here. I'll mark 2 inches. If you're making for a bigger size, you can make it 2.5. Then I have my 2 inches there. I'll go to my full length. I'll subtract half inches. I'll mark my 1.5 there. Then I'll go to my shoulder line. Sorry, I'll connect it from my 2 inches. I'll connect it to my bust point here. From that 2 inches, I'll connect it to my bust point to form our cup. Then I'll go to my shoulder line. I'll measure 2 inches there. I'll measure 2 inches there. Then I'll connect it from my bust point. I'll connect it to my shoulder line. I'll connect it from my bust point there. And I'll connect it to that 2 inches at my shoulder line. Then I'll take my straight ruler. I'll connect it from my under bust. I'll connect it to that 1.5 inches at my full length, like so. So as you can see, now I'll take my scissors and I will cut it out now. Before we continue, let me cut it out first. I'll go ahead and I'll cut it out this way. So now as you can see, I've cut it out now. So now what I will do now is to place this one. I'll go ahead and I'll place it on it this way. I'll place it on it like this. I'll place it very well. Okay. You go ahead and you place, sorry guys, let me arrange it very well. Then you go ahead and you place this on it very well. You can go ahead and use your sellotape to hold it down. So now after then, I'll go ahead and I will take my shoulder measurement. My shoulder is 16 divided by 2. I have 8 inches here. I have 8 inches. Then I'll take my chest measurement, which is 9 inches, and I'll draw my straight line this way. Shoulder to my chest line is 9 inches. So now I'll draw a straight line from my shoulder to my chest line this way. Then I'll divide my shoulder line, arm line to 2. Then I'll divide back half of it, come in by half inches, and I'll take my body measurement, which is 38. 38 divided by 4, I have my 9.5 inches there. Then I'll take my curve ruler and I'll connect it. So I'll take my curve ruler and I will connect it. Then I'll go ahead and let me retake. Yes, I have my 9.5 here. Then I'll go to my waistline. I will measure my waist. 32 divided by 4, I have 8 inches there. Then I will go to my hip line. I'll go to my hip. My hip is 40 divided by 4, I have 10 inches there. Then I'll take my straight ruler and I'll connect it. Then I'll take my straight ruler, I'll connect it. If you notice, I take my exact measurement. I did not add any allowance to it. So later we'll add allowance to it, but for now we won't be adding allowance to it. Then I'll go down, I'll take like 2 inches, then I will curve it this way. So now I will remove this. I will remove the center part now, and I will remove it, and we'll work with the side part now. So now to snatch our waist, I will go to my waist and I will divide whatever I have there. The length I have there, I will divide it into 2. So there I have like 5 inches. So I'll divide 5. As you can see, I have 5 inches. Half of 5 inches is 2.5. Then I'll go down. I'll go to my full length there. I will take the same 2.5 there. Then I'll take my straight ruler and I'll connect it. I'll connect it from my waist to my full length. That's 2.5. Then I'll take it, I'll draw it straight to my armhole line. As you can see, so from my waistline, I'll draw a straight line. I'll connect it to my armhole line, as you can see. So now, to snatch our waist, I'll still go to my waistline. I'll come to my waistline here, and I'll take like 1/4 of an inch in both sides. 1/4 of an inch in both sides. Then I'll take my 1/4 of an inch here, and I'll go to the other side. I'll take the same 1/4 of an inch there. As you can see, 1/4 of an inch. Then I'll take my straight ruler and I'll connect it from that 1/4 of an inch. I'll connect it to the full length. I'll go to the other side. I will do the same thing. I'll connect it so. Then I'll connect it straight. I'll connect it back. As you can see, you connect it so. You go to the other side. You do the same thing. So now, as you can see, we have snatched our waist. So now I can go ahead and add my allowance to it. So now I will take my neck measurement. So I will place it very well this way. You place it very well. You can use your sellotape to hold it down. So now I'll take my full body measurement and I'll add my allowance to it. I'll just go ahead and I add your allowance. I'll add enough allowance to it. So my waistline, and for that inches we took for our waist snatch, I will add it back there. Then I'll add my journey allowance to it. I'll come to my hip. I will add my journey allowance to it. Then I'll take my ruler and I'll connect it so. So now I'll take my ruler and I'll connect it so. So after that, we'll go ahead and take our neck measurement. Like so. So now, the neck measurement I'm using 7 inches. So let me place it very well. This way. You place it very well. So now I'll take my neck measurement this side. The neck measurement, the neck depth I'm using 7 inches. So I have my 7 inches here. I have my 7. Then you come to this side. I'll measure 4 inches or 4.5. It depends on how pointy you want it to be. Sorry guys. So for there I'm using 4.5. Then I'll take my ruler and I'll connect it so. I'll connect it so, as you can see. So from that 4.5, I will just curve it to my armhole line this way. Then you curve it back to your armhole line. As you can see, it's very easy. Just take your time and follow the process. So now we take my scissors and I'll cut it out. I'll take my scissors now and I'll cut it out for you guys to see. Just take your time. It's very easy. So now we are through with our cutting. You can see, so this is the center part. You can see how it is. Sorry, the middle part, sorry. This is it now. So you can see how easy it is. So now this is how you're going to to join it, and you have your waist very snatch, as you can see. This is how you place it. Then you use it to cut it out on your fabric. So now is now to cut our back pattern. So let's go ahead and cut our back pattern. So to cut our back pattern is very easy. All you have to do is just to place the front on the back this way. You place it very well this way. You place the front on the back this way. You place it very well. You place it very well. Then you go ahead and you mark the armhole line there. You mark that armhole line there, because the journey will stop at the armhole line. So now that armhole line that I mark, and I will mark 1 inches from there. Let me see what I have there. I have 7 inches there. So I will take my straight ruler and I will connect it straight line. So from that place that I point, I mark it up. I have 7 inches there. So now I will connect a straight line there. I hope you understand. I only place the back, the front at the back, and I mark my armhole line there. So I've drawn the straight line. So this is how to cut it. Then I'll take my nipple to nipple measurement, the same nipple to nipple measurement, which is 8 inches. Divided by 2, I have 4. Then I'll go ahead and I will take my ruler and I'll connect it straight this way. I'll connect it straight this way. Then now I will go ahead and I will take my body measurement. So before then, wait, I will take my body measurement. But before then, let me place this one on the back so that we will know where our waist is starting from. This way, you place it very well. So we'll mark this our waistline here. That's my waist. My waistline here. This is my waist and my bust point there. So that's my waist and my bust point there. Then I'll take my straight ruler and I'll connect it. So that's our waistline for the back. I place the front on the back to get my waistline and my bust line. Then I'll go ahead and I'll take my body measurement. The same thing, I'm not adding any inches to it. I'm taking my exact measurement, 9.5 there, and my waist, I have my 8 inches here, and my hip, I have my 10 inches there. Divide my hip into 4, my waist into 4, and my bust into 4. That's my bust 38 divided by 4, my waist 32 divided by 4, my hip line 40 divided by 4. Then I'll connect it so. So now to snatch our waist, I will divide this side into 2. I will divide that side into 2. So now I have 4 inches. I have 4 inches there, then I'll mark 2 inches there. Half of it is 2 inches. Then I'll go to the full length. I'll mark the same 2 inches there. Then I'll take my straight ruler and I'll connect it straight. I'll connect it straight this way. Sorry guys. I will connect it straight this way. Then I'll come to my waistline to snatch our waist. I will take the same, either you can make a 1/4 of an inch or half inches. So now I've back my half inches there. Then I'll connect it to my full length this way, and I'll go to the other side. I'll do the same thing here. I'll go to the other side. I'll do the same thing, and I will connect it up this way. I'll go to the other side, and I'll do the same thing. So now, then I'll still come to this side. I'll still go in by either half of inch or 1/4 of an inch. Then I'll take it on both sides. Then from there I'll connect it to my full length this way, and I'll go to the other side. I will connect it. But if you want yours to be just 2 inches, just 2 pieces, you can just leave the other side. You can just leave the other side. I hope you guys understand. Let me explain a bit. If you want it to be just 2, you can just leave this side. Yes, you can just leave this side and only snatch this side. But if you want it to be on 2 sides, you go ahead and snatch the both side. So now for this side, I will take 2 inches here. Then I'll come to the side. I will take 1.5. So for the opening we have at the back. So at the up I have my 2 inches. Let me see if I can use my curve ruler. No, I think I'll use my straight ruler. I mark 2 inches here. So at the full length I mark 1.5. So from 2 at the top and full length I have by 1.5 there. So now I'll go ahead and I will add my journey allowance to it. I'll just go ahead, I will add my journey allowance to it. So now I've added my journey allowance to it. And I will go ahead and I will. So now we're through with our back pattern. Just to take our scissors and we'll cut it out. I'll cut it out for you guys to see. So now we're through with our cutting. So this is my back pattern. You can see the 3 pieces. So this is it now. This is the middle part. This is the center part. The center part here. And this is it. Okay. So this is the back pattern here. This is how you join it to have your waist snatch. So this side is where I'll be inserting my loops. This side is where I'll be inserting my loops. And this is the center part. This is how you go ahead and join it to have your waist snatch. So this is the back pattern here. I hope you guys are understanding it. It's very easy. So now this is my back pattern. I will use the back pattern. I will use it to cut it out on my fabric. And this is the, so I've gone ahead and I've used my pattern to cut it out on my fabric, and I went ahead and I added inches to it for the joining allowance. Don't forget, when you're cutting it out on your fabric, always add your joining allowance to it in both sides, as you can see. So I went ahead and I added joining allowance to it. So that's the front pattern. I did the same thing at the back pattern. I added joining allowance to it on both sides. You can see it here. So this is the middle part and this is the center. You can see I added my joining allowance to it. I added joining allowance to it all through. Both sides I will be joining it. So this is the center part. I went ahead and I added my joining allowance to it. So this side is where I will be adding my loops. So this is where I will be joining my loops. This is the center part, as you can see. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If yes, please don't forget to like, share the video for others to see. Thank you guys, and in case you are here to subscribe to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and turn up your notification bell so that you'll be notified when we post in another news tutorial. Thank you guys.